Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a PDF for print in InDesign. It will be really simple and easy. So first of all, what you can do is go to File, go down to Export. Once you have your name sorted out for your document from the drop down menu, instead of being interactive PDF, you want to choose Print PDF. Click on Save. Here you will see a dialog box. In the standard here, go to the first one, which is the 2001 standard. I find that is a really good one to use for professional print because it's a multi-page document. I'm going to click on all pages. The next important thing you need to do is add marks and bleed. So if you are using a document which has got artwork that goes up all the way to the edge of the document like a photograph or a solid color, you want to add some bleed and crop. Once you are okay, click on export, and here you have your PDF ready to go off to print with your bleed and the crop marks on each of the pages. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to export a PDF for print in InDesign. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.